Hello everyone. I would like to share a brief Canvas tour to help you get acclimated to the class and how to navigate the class online. So I am starting on the welcome page, and for the first week of the class it will start here. This gives you some information on my expectations, how I approach the studio, and some suggestions for success. At the bottom of the page, it will take you to the Start Here module, and the class is organized in different modules. A module is just another word for folder, and in these modules or folders contain all the learning materials you need and the learning activities. Now, I should also mention that I'm on a laptop. If you are navigating on a cell phone or a tablet, it may look really different. And I do suggest to come to a desktop or a laptop, especially if you're submitting assignments or doing quizzes. The cell phone access is really good for like checking grades, checking email, and checking in, but navigation looks really different. So there's a couple of ways to get around Canvas. One is to look through the modules, and you can also, I guess what I like to think of as walking through the modules, because under each item is a next button or a backwards. So once you complete one item, you can simply go next to go to the next. The modules, you can also look at the modules to see the folders and also to look ahead because everything's open so you can see our future projects. As we get going into the class, it may also be helpful to know that you can navigate here using the navigation. You can go directly to announcements to see maybe an old announcement. And I do send out announcements every week to keep us up to date and also share current events. You can go directly to discussions. And I use discussions for all of our art assignments and our critiques. That's where we share pictures of our work, reflections on how things are going, and also feedback for each other. So discussions are really important. And your grades. I share feedback, especially if it's not a perfect score, and it's hard to get a perfect score in art. There's always things that we have to work on and improve. But you can take a look at the feedback and you can edit your work to improve your score. So after you've looked at that feedback, you can go back, work on things, improve things, and resubmit to earn a better score. I really think that's important in visual art because that's how we improve, that's how we grow. So I want to encourage that with your grades. The syllabus is really important. Get to know the syllabus, look through the syllabus, and you'll even have a little syllabus check. It's not designed to hurt you or anything. It's just 4 points, and you can retake it if you need to. But it's really there just to help you get to know the syllabus and everything that you need for the class. Well, I hope that that is helpful, and I look forward to getting to know you in the first week's discussion assignment, the introductions. Thank you.